All right, guys, we got a 1977 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme. She's beautiful. Y'all gonna love this one. Let's check her out. Paint is in great condition. In my opinion, overall, she is a solid 8 with minor scratches and blemishes that you can barely see from 3 or 4 feet away. The rear and front fillers could use a little opportunity. Got some minor blemishes down here on the passenger door. Probably can be buffed out. Overall, she's in excellent condition. Interior is absolutely beautiful, guys. Upper dash, no cracks, stains or anything. Lower dash. See if I can get y'all in there and see it. She reads just under 26,000. I went around the interior 3 or 4 times. All I could find is minor discoloration, no tears, rips, or anything. Just absolutely beautiful. And it does have a minor stain right there in the rear deck. But that's all I could find. And on the door cards, just minor discoloration. But this car is very, very solid. No rot, surface or anything. No room for opportunity underneath. It's absolutely amazing. Inner and outer felts look good. The top is absolutely amazing shape. It's beautiful. Passenger inner and outer felts are good. Door is very solid. Has some minor surface, but it's not even really surface, it's just discoloration. It's very solid. She is absolutely in amazing shape. Hair liner is excellent. Floor pans are very, very solid. I'm gonna get you the best angle I can on both sides. This is the driver, but as you can see, she's very clean underneath, no room for opportunities. Passenger side floor pan is the same as the driver. Excellent condition, no room for opportunities. This is a very, very solid car. This is how you wanna buy your classic, guys. Deck lid is in excellent condition. No surface, no rot. Just absolutely beautiful. This is a very solid car. Just in excellent condition. The trunk, very solid. No room for opportunity. Let's see if I can get this up. I ain't gonna pull all of it up, but as you can tell, she's very solid. Got the factory spare and the factory jack. Engine bay, as you can see, guys, it's untouched, unmolested. She has a small block of Olds, power brakes, power steering, AC car. This is exactly how you want to buy your Classic. Gotta love an Oldsmobile engine. I love the way they sound. She is absolutely beautiful. Let's start her up. She fired right up. She's running excellent. All the contact information is in the description below, guys. She's very quiet. And don't forget, here at Roller Museums, your dream car is one call away.